Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about homeopathic medicine, which is helpful in the treatment of fever. Whereas today we will be talking about one of the rare remedies which is highly indicated for the rheumatic and the intermittent fever. Before going to the remedy, myself, Dr. Megha from Yogic Homeo Science, I'd already uploaded so many fever remedies already in my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do go to the playlist. You can find plenty of videos on the fever and other diseases also. So don't forget to press on the subscription and the bell icon. Moving on to the today's medicine, that is homeopathic medicine for fever. Today's topic is all about cactus granulosus. Whereas cactus is one of the medicine which is rarely used in the homeopathic practice. It is not repeatedly used, means only when highly indicated things come we just use it, that's all. Moving on to the cactus clinical symptom, it is indicated in the asthma, brain affection, fever, hematuria, heart affection, lung affection, respiratory troubles, rheumatism. What are the sphere of action? Because you should be knowing on which all things the cactus act. It acts on the heart, blood vessels, uterus, and ovaries, particularly, and in the head and the body in general. So, what is the constitution? Means how the physical makeup of the cactus are. They are kind of lean, thin, and very emaciated kind of thing. They are neither hot nor chilly, so we cannot differentiate in that. Moving on to the keynote symptom of the cactus: constriction, contraction, congestion. C3 are the specific of cactus. Cactus is also C. This is also C. C3 we call it as, that is constriction, contraction, congestion of any organ in the body, especially the heart, uterus, throat, chest, bladder, rectum, etc. Constricting pain runs through the whole pathogenesis of the cactus. The whole body feels as if caged, and each wire is being twisted and tightened and tighter. This is one of the commonest symptom the patient is going to say. The whole body feels as if caged. Iron band prevent normal breathing and motion. Sensation of cord tightening tied around the lower part of the chest, making the diaphragm of the heart little bit suffocation for them. The heart feels as if it is being captured or put in a cave by an iron hand, as if the bound, and it has no room to beat like that. And there is fluttering pulsation, means the pulse is very fluttering during the day and the night, worst when walking and lying on the left side, and approach of the menses also. Pains everywhere, and there is a springing up like chain of lightning, pressing with a sharp like grape, hemorrhage from nose, lungs, stomach, rectum, bladder, etc. Cactus has the weakness and coldness of the extremities. And there is vertigo on deep breathing. Dreams of falling down during sleep. This is one of the peculiar dreams of cactus. Fear of death because he believes that the disease is incurable. Menstrual flow ceases when lying down. This is the opposite to that of yesterday's medicine, that is borax. Borax only when the patient is lying down during the night there will be menstrual flow, but here the menstrual flow ceases, means stops when lying down. Okay, not borax, sorry, it's bovista. I get little bit confused. So don't worry about it. Periodicity is well marked. Fever returns at 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. Many symptoms are aggravated when lying down or come on when lying down. This is one of the peculiar symptoms. Many symptoms are aggravated when lying down and come on when lying down. Elements from romanticism, sun, damp weather, and disappointment of love. Moving on to the fever kind of symptoms. Rheumatic fever and intermittent fevers are most often treated with this remedy. What is causation? Causation is from sun and damp weather. What are the time modalities of the cactus? Fever returns always comes at 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. Slight chilliness towards 10 a.m. because before the fever comes, there is chilliness which starts at 10 p.m. 10 a.m. also. What are the characteristics of the fever? Chilliness with grinding of teeth, chilliness not revealed by covering. This is one of the peculiar. Chilliness is not revealed by covering. There is burning heat with shortness of breath, and there is heat at night with hot face. It terminates with perspiration and coldness of back and icy coldness of hands and feet. This is one of the major symptoms. What is intermittent fever? Intermittent fever is really indicated in the cactus and occurring every day at the same hour. This is one of the peculiar thing, occurring every day at the same hour. Like the patient is getting fever and chills during the 11 a.m. every day or 11 p.m. every day, like that. What are the concomitant symptoms of the cactus during fever? There is a great difficulty to breathe, violent pain in the head, there is a headache also, and the patient is very much unconscious like that of, and they will be talking irregular. Means if you ask during the fever, what's your name, they will be saying that I had some food to eat, like that. They will be irregularly answering. And insensible till midnight, followed by unquenchable thirst and perspiration. This is one of the peculiar. And moving on to the general modalities of the cactus, because the aggravation factors and amelioration factors are very much important in the cactus. So moving on to the general modalities of the cactus, I think it is only an very much indicated in the cardiovascular system and the fever, that's all. So I'll be only doing this. So general modalities are aggravation at the 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. because the fever comes at and lying on the left side. It is not an side related medicine, but lying on left side causes the symptom, make the symptom little bit bad. What is the betterment? By sleep, rest, fresh and open air, that's all. Okay, that's all for the cactus. And heart symptom, cardiovascular symptoms are really kind of very well indicated in the cactus, which I'll be doing in the next video. So if you're new to my channel, what you should do is subscribe, save this video and share this video, and also like this video. If you have any kind of suggestion for me to give from your hand, you can just comment on the comment section. So without any delay, let's move on to the ending this video. It was all about the cactus fever kind of thing. It is mainly indicated in the rheumatic fevers and the intermittent fever, because rheumatic fevers are really